Today we're driving a 2014 Ford Mustang V6. So this is the 3.7 liter, making around 305 horsepower, around 280-ish pound-feet of torque, I believe. Convertible. Has the Mustang RCR wheels on them. Very, very nice. Not a GT model, but I would argue that this Mustang has the best body style of the 21st century. It might be controversial. The new Mustang looks great. Might have to debate with that one. But the generation after this, 2015 to 2020, 2021, just wasn't doing it for me, if I'm being honest. But this generation, 2010, 2014, was amazing. Stepping on the inside, we are sitting pretty well. Driver position's really good. My rises up. I quite enjoy the perspective that I have in this vehicle. It was my first ever convertible on the channel, so this is going to be super, super fun. We have no gas though, so we'll have to get gas. But thank you to my friend Luis for letting me drive his vehicle today. Much, much appreciated. We don't have much time today. We have about 20 minutes until he gets off work. Let's just drive this thing, man. We'll go back to 2014 when this car was released. Let's go ahead and get moving. Ooh, Corvette. Let's go ahead and follow it, actually. We have a good amount of low-end torque. Super sick. Ooh, GT4. Sounds like it's just filled with a bunch of cool cars, man. Cars and Coffee was awesome. Last time I went. Put in the sport mode. We have no paddles, by the way, and we do have this, which I don't know how I feel about that. Super windy. I hope my hair's not getting in the footage. That would be awful, actually. It actually might be. Oh god. And I hope you guys can hear me okay. We're currently in sport mode. And I just love these gauges, man. They're so old school. They look amazing. They're nice and big. I don't know how I feel about having this as the main form of shifting, just this button wheel thing. I guess it was, it worked for that generation. It's actually not very responsive, unfortunately, but gets the job done. So, average fuel run in one of these cars, if you were interested in buying one, 12.42 gallons, almost 13-gallon tank, $37 here in Texas. Not bad. Alright, let's try to end off this review on the South Lake racetrack this time. Hopefully we are successful, and we do have 6 minutes to spare, 6 minutes to race back and give the car back to Luis. Love having a manual handbrake. Just a breath of fresh air sometimes, just having that manual handbrake available to you. No e-brake. It's the way you're supposed to drive sometimes. Successful fuel run. Let's do one last little spin. You know, this video is more so about me going in a straight line, because Mustangs are pretty good at straight lines. Turning, not great at, but let's see how it fares on the South Lake racetrack. Just a normal 6-speed, if I'm not mistaken. It could be a CVT. It kind of feels like a CVT. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it does feel like a CVT, but I want to say it's a 6-speed, just automatic shifter inside the gearbox. Hit it. Turning is you have to turn the wheel a lot to really like get it to move. Turning radius has probably gone down over the years. GT4 is still there. Oh, geez. People need to stay on the right side. GoPro keeps overheating on me, but it should be okay. Before it dies again, I'm going to try to just end the video off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully to bring out more content soon. Hard to find cars around here, man. If anybody knows, anybody who wants a car reviewed, and if they're in the DFW area, please send them my way. It would be greatly appreciated. Again, thank you all for watching.